I've charged $1,000 for a single video more than once at only 19 years old. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how I made $1,900 and then another $1,000 editing gaming videos for one single client. This wasn't luck. It took strategy, a system, and the right mindset. So if you're an aspiring video editor or someone trying to grow your video editing business, you'll leave with actionable steps that you can implement in your own business to copy me and do the exact same. Now, in this video, yes, I'm reading off a script because I'm a professional video editor, not a professional speaker. This video is not fun to look at. It is not interesting to look at, but this will teach you something that can change your whole career. So pay attention and watch till the very end. All right, let's get into it. Let's start at the beginning. This client first reached out to me because they needed a gaming highlight video. They wanted something polished, exciting, and dynamic. On top of that, they needed it delivered in just 48 hours. That's a tight turnaround time, but it's also when I knew I had to make an impression. Tight deadlines can be stressful, but I've also learned that they're also an opportunity to show exactly what you're capable of as a video editor. For that first video, I focused on storytelling. A great gaming highlight video isn't about cutting together random clips or doing a billion transitions or anything like that. It's about creating a flow that captures the intensity and excitement of gameplay and story moments. With great music choices and subtle but effective effects, the video was very entertaining and flowed from scene to scene very seamlessly. It's so easy to just go overboard with flashy effects or constant vine booms and annoying sound effects, but really at the core of gaming videos and just editing videos in general, and my personal opinion, as I'm sure you've seen a lot of Minecraft and Roblox content or just gaming content or just YouTube content, to be honest, can be over edited. But I personally found videos that are a lot less edited, but more so professionally edited and clean and digestible content for an audience to not only perform better, but be more fun to edit, less draining, and just overall a better time. And when I delivered this project, the client was thrilled. They immediately saw the value that I brought to the table and paid me $1,000 for that single video. The payment wasn't just validation, it was also a turning point in my whole career. It showed me the potential of what I could earn by positioning myself as a reliable, high-quality video editor. And as proof that I'm not bogus or some fake guru, you can see the message right here. He asked me if 1K worked. I was kind of shocked and tried to play it off like I wasn't, because I was honestly going to charge like 400. I said, yes, sir, appreciate it. And then he told me to drop a banger tweet on how being reliable for a client and meeting tight deadlines can also make you bank. And then he asked me about some revision or something. Now, right here, I want to pause and talk to you about something important. Mindset. Earlier in my video editing career, I used to get so overwhelmed by tight deadlines. I would overthink every detail of a video and sometimes miss the bigger picture. But over time, I realized that challenges like tight deadlines are actually opportunities. They force you to focus, adapt, and perform well under pressure. And when you succeed in those situations, you stand out. Trust me, clients will remember and notice when you deliver on time and when you deliver on those promises that others can't. Now, fast forward a few months and the same client came back to me. This time they had another gaming project. The timeline was just as tight, the expectations were just as high, and honestly, I was super excited for the challenge. Because I had already worked with them before, I knew exactly what they liked, and I was able to streamline my workflow. For example, I saved templates from the first project, which meant I didn't have to start from scratch. What I mean by this is things like zooms, camera positions, just things that I knew were common in the last video, just in case this client came back to me, and what do you know, they did. This saved me hours of time, allowing me to focus on the creative aspects of the edit, things like finding the perfect sync points between gameplay, the addition of music, or just adding comedic visual pop-ups that add personality to the content. When I delivered the second project, the client was just impressed as before. Once again, they paid me $1,000. This time, however, I asked for that amount instead of them offering it. I felt I had upgraded as a video editor, and it wasn't my skills that I felt I had completely upgraded, it was my mindset and self-worth. This client really did a lot for me by offering 1K for that first video, and I proved to them that I was someone that they could rely on. This is where trust becomes such a key in building sustainable editing business relationships. It's not just about delivering a single great video, it's about showing your clients that you can consistently deliver great quality work. Now again, here you can see the message, and I just asked for 1K without them, telling me it was worth 1K, and he said, yep, that sounds great to me. And that was another 1,000 in the bag from just another single video. At this point, I had built a relationship with this client, so when they needed a third video edited, I did not hesitate to reach out. This project was slightly smaller in scope, but it still required the same level of quality and precision. For this one, I earned $900. Even though the payment was just slightly smaller, the process was just as rewarding because I had built a system and everything was so much more efficient than before. Here's the lesson I took away from all this. It's not just about the size of a project, it's about the relationship you build with your client. When they trust you, they'll keep coming back. And over time, that relationship becomes more valuable than any single payment. Now, if I had only made 1K from one video and it was a one-time thing, cool, that's a free $1,000. Well, not free, but I worked for it. But when I proved myself to this client, that basically gave me thousands upon thousands of dollars in value from reoccurring work. Now, let's break down the specific strategies that help me land these gigs and keep this client coming back. There are three main factors: speed, quality, and communication. These are probably the most 3 important factors in all video editing, even more important than your skills, unless you're like utter trash. But at that point, you should be working on your skills before just trying to have clients to pay you $1,000. First, let's talk about speed. When a client says they need something in 48 hours, that's not a problem, it's an opportunity. I spent a lot of these times building a system that helps me work faster without sacrificing quality. For example, I have so many templates. I've created templates for common effects, transitions, and music organization, things like that. These templates allow me to skip repetitive tasks and focus on the creative side of editing, and really lock in on areas that need more editing. I also use project management tools to stay organized and make sure I'm meeting deadlines without feeling overwhelmed. Next is quality. This is a non-negotiable either. No matter how tight the deadline may be, the quality of my work is something I will never compensate on. For gaming videos, that means making sure that the audio is perfectly synced up, the visuals are sharp and engaging, and the pacing keeps viewers hooked from start to finish, and any revisions that the client may have for me. I also make it a point to add small details that the client doesn't ask for to elevate the final product, things like subtle motion graphics, carefully placed sound effects, and smooth transitions when need be. Finally, let's talk about communication. This might be the most underrated skill for video editors, and one that I preach in pretty much every video on this channel. You should check them out if you haven't seen all the others. From the moment I start working on a project, I keep the client in the loop. That could mean sending a message to confirm the direction of the project or providing updates on the progress. When you communicate clearly and consistently, clients feel confident in your ability to deliver. That confidence is what builds trust, and trust is what keeps clients coming back. Obviously, if I was someone who didn't respond to the messages, didn't give this client updates, they would not feel comfortable paying me $1,000, and I would completely understand why. So here I just threw in another screenshot of me basically updating the client on how the video was going. And this is actually for a very recent project if you look at the date. So that shows you I'm still implementing these things as we speak. Well, as I speak to you. So now that you know what it takes to land a high-paying client, what's next? The real key to success isn't just landing one-off projects like I said, it's scaling your business so that you can handle multiple clients at once. That's where having a system becomes essential. I built a workflow that allows me to juggle projects without feeling overwhelmed. I use tools like Notion to track deadlines and Discord to manage client communication and stay organized. One thing that's helped me grow over the years is learning from others who have been where I wanted to be. That's why I started offering one-to-one mentorship for video editors. In my mentorship, I teach editors like you how to land high-paying clients, create efficient workflows, and build a sustainable business that can turn into a full-time career. If you're serious about taking your editing career to the next level, I'd love to help you. Click the first link in the description to book a free sales call with me where I'll get to know you and see if you're somebody that I can help, and if you are, we'll onboard you right into my mentorship and we can get started right away. We'll talk all about where you are now, where you want to be, and how exactly I can help you get there. And that's the full breakdown of how I consistently make 1K from editing a single video. If you found this video helpful, be sure to book a free call with me and also check out my Discord server. My Discord server includes weekly coaching calls with me, high quality editing gigs, feedback on your work, feedback on your outreach, and a chance to meet more editors in our community. Let me know what topics you'd like to see me cover in future videos. Thank you so much for watching till the very end, and I'll see you all next time. Keep working hard. I'm so proud of you.